Oh. Puti ka, Prite.
See?
Hmm.
One.
No.
Ano, Prite?
Mashallah. May heartbeat na.
Yeah.
I hope it's only one or two.
No, it's more.
More? Oh.
This two.
Two?
This two and there is two more.
Oh, two more! Oh my god, it's five maybe. Before it's have 10.
Yeah,
Baby now,
maybe now have 20.
no, before she gave birth 2 times.
Yeah.
Every 2 months. You had a pretty. Why like this?
That's why this one, the baby, the firstborn, we let her spay.
This is a two. Okay.
Mm.
Kalas, mama.
Pretty. Tingnan mo sa... Tulala.
Shut up, babe.
شيل 15 ولد.
Pretty. It's a girl or a boy again. Oo, 4 na.
Ay, yung cheese.
Ayan oh.
Paano ba malaman na? Saan ba?
Ayun, yung ano na. Yan, yan. Yan. Oh, tinitingnan niya.
You're pregnant, ya habibi. Who's
Send
the
ko to kay
father?
Rachel.
The father not so handsome
May-
stray cat.
Maybe
Shuhada.
Dr. Andred.
Maybe you.
Pag pinalinis namin, magkano? Dagdag.
Na
Yung tinga niya.
tinga niya.
Oh, sige. Palinis na lang.
Malik,
تمسك
so we can
شكلك
here.
اوكي.
خلاص.
Alas.
Only one for Spain.
Wala kaming dalang pagkain niya.
Wag, kasi hindi pa yun pwede pakainin.
Oo, sige.
Tapos, tsaka nila sa pakainin pag dating na niya sa
Oo.
bahay. Or
Iwan lang
morning na.
namin,
Kasi fasting niya.
oo.
Tapos na surgeon, yan po yun.
Hindi ko kasi nakakaroon di sa
Pero feeling ko kanina ganun gagawin. Kaso nagugutom siya.
Akala ko mas
Better nga yung para dali siya kasi kung usog siya, hindi pwede. Tagal yan matulog. Tapos yung heartbeat niya.